So this is how you can get your money back on PayPal. So I'll get it to you straight. There's actually no way you can do on your end in order to get a money back after you send it to the recipient. But the only way that you can do this is to do this thing that their website has told us to do. So, how do I get a refund? In order to request a refund for a completed payment, you will need to contact the seller or the recipient. So, for example, you sent your money to a person, you're gonna have to contact them in order to get that money back. Just simply go to activity and then select the payment, and then their contact information should be there if you don't have it already. And if they agree, you will receive your refund in your original payment method. So, for example, if you paid through PayPal, it's going back into your PayPal account, your PayPal balance, and if you actually paid using your card, like your credit or debit, it's going back to there. But yeah, unfortunately, you can't get your money back unless the seller or the recipient has given it back to you themselves. So if you accidentally sent someone money and they don't want to give it back, there's really no way of doing it. And I don't really think contacting PayPal support will help because you did proceed with the payment. But you can still try by going to PayPal help. There we go, and then go to their help center and then look for their support system or their support chat system. And after that, once you find the chat system where you can talk to their moderators or maybe even an AI, there you can send your complaint and see if they can do something about it because it truly is out of your hands now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if this tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you.